morning, class. As you know, I'm away today, so I thought I'd make a little video just to remind you what you're supposed to be doing. You have the computers available to you tomorrow and Monday, so please use them to your advantage. I really want you to just have time to play with Classroom. I know maybe it's not your thing and you don't have time at home, so I'm giving you time today to try it out. So if you go to classroom.google.com and you sign in with your Google account, your school Google account, you should have access to our course. If you click on the email that I sent you in your email inbox, in your OCDSB email inbox, you should be able to sign up to Classroom. But if you don't have that email, you can also join the class with this code. So you'll see the class, and then it will ask you for the code, and you can put in this code. It's D1ALXBO. So there's a couple of ways that you can get into the class. There's a bunch of students already in here, so I'm hoping that means that we are almost good to go. Going back to the stream here, what I would like you to do is upload one of your slides to the collaborative slides presentation. And I can see here that a bunch of people have already done this, so good for you. This is basically to familiarize yourself with working in a collaborative document. The fact that we're doing two truths and a lie is just for fun. I really want you to know how to work in Google together in the same document. That's pretty important. So that's step number one, and that would probably only take you 5 minutes. So see how this is on the top? That means that it's the first priority. Second priority, answering the question. So this is a question that you might answer based on the reading that we did, or you might be able to answer it just on your own. So it says here in full sentences, please give 3 examples how you're a product of heredity and 3 examples how you're a product of your environment. If you need the article, the PDF of it is here. And when you click on it, you can just type your answer right in here. So some of you have already done that. That is awesome. And I made the due date for that on Monday just to give people more time with getting familiar with Google Classroom. If you want to handwrite the answer to this prompt, that is okay as well. But we will be using Classroom, so try for me. By the end of class today, you should be ready to start working on your theory assignment. Each student has been made a copy, so you'll notice that there is a copy already with your name on it. This is just so you have it in your own Google Drive. And you don't actually, since this is a group assignment, have to do anything or hand it in to me. So this is just, I just wanted to share it with you quite easily, and so that's what I did. Since I'm away for the next 2 days and there's going to be questions, I made this Google Doc, and I'm going to put a link to it in the announcements where you could ask me questions. So, for example, this is a question that has to do with Classroom. What's the class code for Classroom again? And I put the answer here. Now, the thing is, I'm going to have a different email address open during this PD, so I won't be getting your emails to me. So what I am going to do is I'm going to have this Google Doc open on my computer. And so if you need to ask me a question, then I'll see it pop up on here and everyone else can see the answer. So that's really good, because if you have a question about the theory assignment, then maybe someone else does too. So I hope that will help. If you're more comfortable with D2L because you've used it for an online course or in another course, you can use D2L too. The website for Desire to Learn is ocdsb.elearningontario.ca. And if you sign in here with your username and password that you would use to log into a school computer, you will see the course. So the course, your page will look a little bit different than mine because I'm a teacher. I think yours is on the right side, but you'll see a course, I think, probably right about here. That says Human Growth and Development. And here we have the checklist. So same thing, if you don't want the, if you want to avoid Google Classroom, then here's the link to the presentation, here's the link to the discussion, and here's the link to theory. So you can get to it multiple ways. I also have the template for the article review if you want to build up your duotang for your exam. I gave those out in class, and there are copies on my desk. So if you need anything, just tell your supply teacher there are copies of everything in the black metal tray on the top of my bookcase, and you can just peruse through there and get what you need. So anyway, I hope that helps. And if there is anything that you need to email me about, you can do that as well, but it just won't be as fast as the Google Doc. So yeah, have fun, have a great weekend, and we will see you on Tuesday.